What's up guys, it's me Roby, and today I'm gonna have a mini vlog, a day in my life. Guys, I just finished showering and yes. Okay, so mag-film showing kasi kami. Film showing. And I'm just wearing a sock. Okay. There. Wow. Very amazing TV. What can I wear? Gotta wear this. I'm gonna put sunscreen. And yun lang. Yeah. Dito lang. Malabok. This is my original. This is the best. Kunti na lang siya. Ayun na yun. Shoes. Ano ba yan? Hindi na naabot. Robinson. Imagine tayo mo. Mas nadami yung students sa inyo. Kumatot lang.
Guys, pumila ha! Pumila ko. Teka naman ito sa uling pila, umungot na.
Ito. Then, yan.
Pwede naman. May isang oras tayo.
Kami lang.
Isang oras, tapos pagkapunta mo doon, naka isang oras.
Gahanap ng ano.
Diba?
Walang jackpot lang.
Ibang jack ata. Medyo masakit sa ulo.
Okay lang to. Uy!
Angas na itong magneto. Ang bangan.
We are here to see and yeah, hindi ko na
Ay, sorry.
Hi po.
Kamay mo na. Wait lang, wait lang. Next po. Rina. Pasok ka na, nak. Johan.
Stop. Wala pang plans. I don't need water.
Are you gonna... Hello po, Mommy.
I'm waiting for my friend.
Ayan, bibili kami popcorn.
Pwede bang bumili?
Pwede pa?
Ayan na, pwede pa?
Go lang. Hindi ko sure.
Sana.
Samahan mo kami, Johan. Johan.
Baka kasi di kami payagan.
Johan, samahan mo kami.
Oo nga, wait lang. Kasama ko pa pinsan ko.
Heard it said.
My God.
For a reason. Listen mo na sa akin. Know you am who I am today. Di ko alam kung kakalabas. Think of what we can do together. Kailan yan? December. Kala ko groom.
It's time.
Papanoodin namin yun.
To fly!
To fly.
You're the only friend I ever had.
Aww.
And I have so many friends.
And forgot.
The only one that mattered.
Excited na ako. I'm excited. Tara, panoorin natin sa Limakan. Tara. Remember natin. Tagal pa. Hindi na. Tara. Tapos na. Tapos na. Ayan na. Rate the movie. Ayan na. Rate the movie. Ano, 8. Yung kala, na boring. Pero awkward din. Ay, sorry. Oh.
Aliana, dito tayo.
Nilalagay ko sa
Kayo po teacher. Hindi kayo kasama.
Nilalagay ko.
Alam ko naman.
Ma, pwede po ba?
Pwede naman mo.
1 hour, ma'am. Libot-libot.
Kanina po ito, Bella.
Ma'am, nakuha ko sa kami sa service. Ha, ma'am? Tara, libot.
Hanggang
Yes! Yes! Dito, dito! Let's go! Let's go! Luella! Let's go! Guys! Bye! Yes, I just got back home and ayan, I got some Jollibee burger steak and this Coke. Yes. Got Jollibee. I'm gonna open it. Vaughn, come here. Do you want some? You want some? Bro, have etiquette. Etiquette? Oh, I thought it's spicy. Look, it's beef and sauce. Kakatapos ko lang kumain. It was very good. Nakishare nga si Bon. I gave him some. Just this rice. And then a burger steak. Anyways. The movie is so good. It's like, we didn't expect that, I thought it's like laboratory only. And, yeah. It has so many nakakakilig na part for the video. Yeah.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that